Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you one setting that will instantly improve the performance of your Windows 10 PC or laptop. This setting will slightly change the appearance of your Windows 10 PC, but to be honest, you don't really notice the changes. And the first thing you need to do is open up the start menu and then type in performance. You now need to click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You will now have a window that looks like this. And straight away, as you can see, mine is currently on custom, but yours will probably be on let Windows choose the best for your PC. You now need to click on adjust for best performance and then hit apply. And this setting will basically give you the best performance settings. I don't actually like to keep it on adjust for best performance. Just simply the fact because, as you can see, the font text does look a little bit weird. So I like to actually select smooth edges of screen fonts. I also like to turn on show thumbnails instead of icons. And then I like to just click on show shadows under Windows. And then press apply. But you can choose which settings you want to keep. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.